Unit 8, Lessons 1 to 2. Point, flag, treasure, spade, dig, beach, sand, castle. Point using your finger. Flag. It's a flag. It's the flag of Vietnam. Treasure. It's a treasure. Spade. It's a spade shovel. Dig. He digs the soil. Beach. It's a beautiful beach. Sand castle. It's a lovely sand castle. Point to your sand castle. Her sand castle is the little one. Let's dig for treasure. Is it a box of coins? No. The boy found an old sandal. Unit 8, Lessons 3 to 4. Starfish, crab, lobster, same, different, size, shape, color. If I take away, how many are left? It's a starfish. It's a crab. It's a lobster. If I take away, how many are left? If I take away 5 bananas, how many are left? 5 bananas are left. The others are away. How many are left? There are 6 fish. Fish 1 is different in color from fish 2. Fish 4 and 6 are different in size. Fish 2 and fish 3 are different in color and in shape and size. There are 10 flags. If I take away 3 flags, 7 are left.